wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best architect lamps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with an extending arm that offers a 160-degree range of motion and a rotating base, the newhouse Energy Efficient provides plenty of placement and lighting options. It's available in neutral black or white, both of which match most home or office decors. It sports an attractive vintage look and won't break the bank. However, the plastic body is not very durable. At number 9, the Daylight Combo isn't the most fashionable model, but it offers some nice features that artists and other professionals will appreciate. It comes with a circular fluorescent bulb and a socket for adding an incandescent bulb if required. It's equipped with a flicker-free electronic ballast and clamps tightly onto tables, but the switch can loosen over time. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the IKEA Forsa is a basic budget-friendly model that provides around 18 inches of height adjustability and is great for activities like reading and sewing. It's available in a nickel-plated finish or black, blue or green. It comes with a sturdy metal base and is easy to assemble. However, it doesn't come with a bulb. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for architect lamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, boasting a sleek and simple low-profile design, the youkoyi touch control will blend in nicely in most homes or offices. The head can be adjusted 180 degrees vertically, and it swivels 350 degrees to the left and right, allowing you to customize the angle to your needs. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum with a diffuser for eye protection, but it is known to flicker occasionally. Moving up our list to number 6. Featuring strong twin metal arms that extend up to 2.5 feet, the tojane Studio offers a wide illumination area that's good for large projects. It's both attractive and sturdy, with a smooth grey finish and components that are resistant to rust. It comes with a generous 59-inch power cable, 8 ventilation holes, and a switch on the power cord. Halfway up our list at number 5. With built-in gesture controls, the otus adjustable can be turned on and off with just a wave of your hand. It's equipped with 12 brightness levels and an LED bulb that's rated for 50,000 hours, so it could last you a couple of decades. It's a simple, user-friendly design with a memory function that stores your settings. It doesn't flicker. At number 4, the BYB metal clamp features a touch control panel that allows you to choose the intensity as well as the lighting color, so you can go with the settings that are ideal for each project. It won't add much to your electricity bill thanks to its 144 energy-efficient LEDs. It's made from a rugged aluminum alloy with a sleek brushed finish and a housing shaped to prevent glare. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with its striking wooden and iron design, the tomons swing arm is sure to stand out in any dorm, reading room or office. It's a cinch to put together without any tools, and the shades and bases are available in black, white, grey, red or green. The cable is covered in durable nylon and the power button is well placed. It includes illustrated instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for architect lamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, selecting the brightness level of the phive task is done with a simple tap of an icon, and it will remain on your preferred setting until you decide to change it. It emits a soft glow with no glare or flicker, and is capable of illuminating a large area. The head swivels 180 degrees, and it's equipped with a sturdy metal clamp. It's backed by a 12-month warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, built for those who spend a lot of time at their computers, the benq e-reading has a mode that's designed to prevent glare on monitors and other screens. It can also detect the ambient brightness in the room and adjust accordingly for a comfortable work environment. It sports a sleek curved shape and a ball joint for flexibility. It can illuminate up to 35 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for architect lamps, or simply click beneath this video.